What up, good people? Man, we out here filming the commercial shoot. No, boy. So, man, we up in here. So we were working on a commercial shoot for a whole Hyundai on the new Sonata 2020. I dropped the car review on it, but they wanted me to do a commercial shoot. So, you know me, I was like, all right, cool, let's go. But I have the crew with me. We out here. So hold on, we got bro and his wife out here. She's texting. He's doing what he do. But yeah.
What up? We out here getting shots of images by for honest speed. I'm trying to plug myself.
Out here getting shots for Emmett Bassell, you know. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, you know. Hey, this is not the first time we linked up, is it?
Yeah, no, but I never finished a video, so the last time we did one, I never finished it.
So yeah, hey, that is true. That is true. Yeah, that is true on him, but you know, I'm not gonna hold it against him. Dang, hold on.
I did that to EJ and Taylor. I should have had someone shoot their wedding. It took me like 2 or 3 years to finish editing.
God, no, that ain't about to be good. That wedding about to be nice, right?
I probably finished it, but you know, I'm a lot better than I was back in the day. You know, I was on top of my editing game. Editing skills have developed a lot more.
All right.
So this video will get done.
Can't wait
to it.
Okay.
This is really nice image here. This is T6i.
Yeah.
I like that.
Very crystal clear, man. Man, so the only reason why it's a little secret, but the reason why he's gonna finish it because the wife's gonna make him finish it. So it's like 2 collabs because Emmett Bassell and People Motivation.
Yeah. People movement.
I meant People Movement. Man, I know y'all probably like, this dude don't even know these people.
She would be like, he can't get my name right. He can't get my Instagram right. We ain't collabing
with him no more.
You can't be friends with him.
Tell me about yourself. I know y'all was friends for a long time, but it's time to cut them off. Dang, what? Don't do me like that. I'm gonna be lost by myself. I'm gonna be lost.
Taking over the artist free vlog real quick. It's People Movement. Images by Zan for the Prince Falls industry. Javon's up here getting some shots right now. I let him grab the camera using his gimbal. Artist be himself at work. Doing this thing, getting the shots. So how you feeling about the shoot so far, baby?
Pretty good. Make sure my hair stays. I got some pretty dope pictures, so I'm excited to show those. Yeah. So if you follow us, you'll see them on our page.
It's different but similar. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They had the same type of thing. Okay. Talk to the people out of speed. Talk to the people.
We out here, man. We out here to do this commercial shoot.
Doing well.
Emmett Bassell and People Movement. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate them coming out helping. Especially my boy Gary Lee. Oh, you got ready to bring on? You got my boy Gary B Studios out here, man, you know, rocking and moving. So, you know, so basically you're gonna get a light looking
underneath the light.
Yeah,
got you.
Light up the jank.
Okay.
So basically about to do a push through.
Okay.
Man, this is something something new to the channel that, you know, your boy gonna try.
Yeah.
And, you know, I got some good people out here who's gonna help me out, and can't wait to see what we got, what we cooking up.
Hey.
So when the whole edit, so basically cut to the end.
Right,
you know what I'm saying? See how it is, but about to kill the game real quick.
Kill the game real quick.
You know what I'm saying? We got the photographer. Oh shit! I saw it messed up. There you go.
How you feeling about it?
I ain't feeling too good. That was not my best. That was not my best shot.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Feeling good about that. The intro, outro looking like, oh man, I'm smiling all the time when I'm doing the car review. It's a surreal moment. We be filming in rain, sleep, snow. Nah, I probably won't be filming in snow, but we be filming in all kinds of what around here. You know what I'm saying? When you see them car reviews, or when the car is looking all wet. You know what I'm saying? That's because your boy just did a car review in the rain to bring to you guys.
I feel like it's not level.
Well, the parking garage is not level. You know, it have a curve to it.